is Barceloneta.
See?
Anchovy.
Yeah. Yeah, and chili.
Today we're going to Can Paisano for lunch.
In the cruise ship.
We're here at Barceloneta. That's the Columbus Monument. And going there is the Romeo. Is Olympic. Oh, Julia. Oh, Julia. Did you see Julia? Julia, the bus. Behind us. That's the Columbus Monument. This one is, oh yeah.
Barceloneta market.
Yeah. Wrestler Slashy. And then later we're going to see the 10,000 pigeons. I'm going to stop a pigeon there. Labara. Okay, thank you. Oh, there you go. And the tapas here.
See?
Anchovy.
Yeah, together. And chorizo, and then the
Anchovy.
anchovy.
This is artichoke. Boquerones. Boquerones, yeah.
Oh, how is it?
Here, I think the big ends now. Having more boquerones. Foie gras. Sandwich. Ham.
Adios.
This is Justina. Where are you, Josh?
I'm in tapas.
Can Paisano.
Con pimiento. Con cariño.
They're tapas, but they're more popular on the bread. The foie gras bread is super, yeah. This is cecina. The foie gras. The foie gras bread. This is foie gras and it's a super sweet. This is only 4 euros actually. 4 euros only. Here at Can Paixano. And here is the menu. And then over there, and over there. Hi Dan. Hi Josh. Wait. Come here, Josh. Hi Joshua.
Hi, Jerry.
Move forward at the unit scene.
Look at how busy.
This is Recoche.
Standing.
Yes. We're here in Barcelona. We're going to cross to the other side. We're waiting for a reservation at Picasso at 2:30. This is Barceloneta. Josh, look at the cable car from Montjuic.
Hi.
Food at what's the name of the place?
La Barceloneta.
No, the other place, the one we had lunch.
Can Paixano.
And Paisano is so amazing.
Look at this super yacht behind JD and Mommy. Look around, guys. Look to your back. Wow.
Oh wow, that's huge. Hi guys. Oh. Joshua is so fascinated with the pigeons. This is Barceloneta. Walk here. Oh, look at this beautiful. Look at this like store. So beautiful. Espadrilla. I think it came from here. That's why. Came from here. That's why.
Not from Argentina.
Argentina is just the Toms. Oh, look at this. Stylish. It's going to be Josh's first museum.
No,
It's
second.
What's your, the second museum. The first one is in Germany. The Deutsche Museum.
My grandma was before.
What? 1769, right?
That's before my grandma was born.
Yeah. Hi. Where are you, Josh? So you're at the Born.
Picasso.
Picasso. After Picasso, now we have ticket. Yesterday we were not able to get a ticket. Else.
It's like croissant. Best croissant.
Best winner of the 2020 best croissant in Spain. Oh wow! I want to try the croissant later.
Yes. Of course I want.
Let's look at this croissant.
Look at that.
Wow!
Without a golden wrapping.
Goodness, hibiscus. They have hibiscus croissant, Josh. But they don't have do they have space? Maybe later after Picasso we can see we can eat there. Nice candy. Here they have nicer. Look at this like
Look, they have munchkin.
munchkins. Yeah.
And baby bird. Baby bird is
I know.
protecting the eggs.
Look at this. So cute.
That's mama. But
Mama bird.
wait a
Okay, I'll take your video. Huh? Stay there, stay there.
So the baby must be
Huh?
beside my granny day. Don't make me eat.
Just don't look like baby. Go. Just look at that.
You have my favorite.
Let's check on the other side. Munchkins, look at that. They have another. I can check later. Oh wow! Love all this. Like love the decoration. Right?
Blim.
Let's go to the other side. Hi Josh.
Hi.
Which one do you like?
Croissant. And
Croissant. Let's go to the other
munchkins.
Where are you? Where are you, Josh?
I'm in this park.
Yeah. I think the fountain is there, but it's a little quite walk. Let's just go back.
Okay, let's go. ¿Dónde está Picasso Museum? Por favor.
This way. This is Barceloneta.